Good day. So today I am going to teach you on how to convert decimal to binary. So let's say we have here 10. You will convert this into binary. So base 2. So in order for you to convert this, you will always divide the 10 to number 2. So where do you get the number 2? Number 2 is a default wherein you can divide the given number in order to convert this into binary. So constant yung number 2. So 10 divided by 2, the quotient is 5. Okay. So if the quotient is a whole number, so the remainder would be 0. Okay? So you will record the quotient and you will record the remainder. So since the quotient is a whole number, there is no decimal point, the remainder will be 0. Then continue to divide until you reach 0 quotient. So 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. So the quotient is 2. Okay. So since there is a decimal point of 0.5, you will not record the 0.5. Bakit? Kasi si computer can only read 0 and 1 bits or byte. So, i-record mo any decimal point na makikita ninyo dun sa quotient, you will record that to 1. Okay. So, yung 0.5 magiging 1. So, any number na magiging decimal point, i-record lang yung remainder as 1. Then, continue to divide. So, 2 divided by 2 is 1. Okay. So, since the quotient is a whole number, the remainder would be 0. Okay. Then, continue to divide. 1 divided by 2, the answer is 0.5. So, the quotient is 0. Again, there is a remainder or there is a decimal point of 0.5. So, you will record that it by 1. Then, the final answer would be, you will record the remainder from bottom to top. So, the answer for 10 is 1, 0, 1, 0 base 2. So, that's how you will convert the decimal to binary. Okay. So, again, always divide by 2. So, 2 is a constant or you will always divide the given number by 2. And then, continue to divide until the quotient reach to 0. You will record the quotient. If the quotient is a whole number, the remainder is 0. But if there is a decimal point to the quotient, you will record it by 1. Then record the final result of your remainder from bottom to top. So I hope you learned on how to convert decimal to binary.